Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Snow chain pricing $40 to $100. Semi-auto or assisted fitting snow chains will cost between $60 and $80, while self-centering chains with auto tensioning will be a little bit more expensive for an average passenger vehicle. Over $100, snow chains for SUVs and pickup trucks tend to be pricier because they are bigger.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Thule just introduced Easy Fit snow chains, which literally snap on with a foot lever and self-tighten as you drive. It's quick and clean to get them on and off, so much so that Thule just earned a Guinness Book record for most snow chains installed in a minute. It took the Thule team about 9 seconds per chain.
Take our lead.
Right conditions tire chains for cars should only be used if there is a layer of snow or ice on the road. Using chains on bare pavement can cause substantial damage to both your tires and the road itself. If you turn onto a road that's clearly been plowed and salted, pull over and remove the chains.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Ideally, you should put tire chains on all 4 tires for all types of vehicles. By using 4 tire chains, you'll be able to obtain the best possible traction and balance. Problems can occur by only chaining one axle.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The first number indicates tire width, the second gives you the tire height ratio, sidewall height as percentage of width, and the third denotes the diameter of the wheel expressed in inches. This information is critical in determining which snow chain size will fit your tire.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.